If you own a 73 through 79 Ford pickup truck and you have a problem like this one right here where your tailgate is not fully functioning properly, then stay tuned for this episode of Dentside Depot as I'm going to show you Auto Metal Direct's new 73 through 79 Ford tailgate installation kit, and we're going to get a truck just like this one fixed and operating correctly again. Okay, and the tailgate we're going to be repairing is for our Dearborn project truck, and we're going to be using Auto Metal Direct's tailgate component set with black handle, and you can see right here what you get in the set. You get everything right here. You get the handle, you get the rods, you get all the levers and everything else that you need to put this thing together. So step number one for us is going to be to pull this apart. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pop these 3 bolts out, and then I'm going to loosen up the hardware on the side. So let's get that done. If yours are really bad, you might want to spray some PB Blaster in there. Mine are in pretty good condition hardware wise. I'm not super concerned about that. I have everything loose. I'm ready to remove the inner handle first, and you don't need to worry about saving these clips because Auto Metal Direct gives you new ones. So I'm going to go ahead and pop these out. So you can see that one, the clip just pushes away. This one will pull up like so. There you go. And now I can pull the whole unit out from this particular side. Okay. Same thing. This time the clip pulls towards me and pushes, the rod pushes up. And now you can pull this side. There you go. And these do go in, if these rods do go in a certain way, and you don't want to mix that up because this is that way. So now you can pull your handle out, and you can see this handle is smoked. It's done. Now I could sandblast it and try and bring it back to life, but there's no reason to because Auto Metal Direct provides you with a new one in their kit, and it's already painted and it's already got brand new clips on it, which you don't get with the other manufacturers. And let's take a second here. I want to show you something. Okay, so here we go. We have 3 different handles. I have the factory OEM one, I have the Auto Metal Direct one right here, and I have another handle from another reputable seller that sent me this particular one in chrome, and it does not fit. Now look, you can see it has this protrusion going up the top. It is completely different from what the factory handle should look like, and it did not at all fit in the truck. So another great reason to just go ahead and order Auto Metal Direct parts, because you can see it is identical. Right, and you want to make sure that you have that in correctly. So now let's go ahead and put it together. Okay, so now we are ready to install all of our parts, and I've discarded the OEM one I'm not going to use. The other manufacturer that clearly doesn't fit, it's a terrible product, and I'm using all the AMD stuff. Now, one thing I did notice was the clips on my handle were in the, they were oriented incorrectly. They needed to be flipped around 180 degrees, so I went ahead and did that. And the reason they need to be facing this way is so you can actually access them to put everything together. Okay, now, there is a right-hand side and a left-hand side for these latches, and you need to make sure that you're putting them on the right way. Of course, you can paint everything first if you want to. I'm personally not going to, but if you want further protection on your parts, then go ahead and do that now. You want to install the right one first because that's the more difficult one to get to. So I'm going to install this piece first with the rod and get it started into the handle because the other one is easier to get to. So I'm going to put this one in, then bolt that down, and then put the last one in. So here we go. It just simply slides into the tailgate like so. Okay. And now I can find my rod inside of my tailgate, and I actually have access to put it all together. Okay, so now I just simply take this one right here. Of course, it's difficult because I'm holding the camera as I do this. Slip in. The security latch goes on just like so. And now I slip this up and in. And now I'm going to put the bolts on the other side to hold it in place. And of course, remember to put these bolts in as well. So I'm going to go ahead and slap those in, and then we'll do the other side together here. Okay, now we are ready to slide the other side in. But before we do, I just want to point out one thing. I had a slight alignment issue with this one right here. I had to just kind of deburr it a little bit with a burring tool, and then it went right in with no problem. But when I do my videos, I like to show everything that I had with my install, and I did have a slight misalignment right there, but it was really about a 15-second fix. Okay, now we're ready to slide this side in. And you can see I have my hook facing down as it should be going into the tailgate. So here we go. Okay, the slot where it goes in. Make sure that I have that piecing correctly. Okay, I'm ready to go ahead and get the rod up and in, and I'm going to put the camera down to get this because it's a little too complicated for me to get it while holding the camera here. All right, so I'm just grabbing the rod, pulling up. Okay, and it just popped on in. Now I put the safety in, clip. Okay, so now that is in, and I have to bolt the other side in, obviously. I want to get some red grease in there, and I forgot to put that on before I put it in. Okay, now we're onto the rear of our truck and ready to start installing the hardware on the actual bed, and you do want to do this before you get the tailgate up there, obviously. So the first part that you want to install are the tailgate straps, and these need to go on first because you will be unable to get this piece on you will not be able to get this piece bolted down once this piece is on. So you definitely want to put this one on first. It's pretty simple. All you're going to do is just stick it on in there. Get your 2 bolts started. Don't necessarily worry about alignment for right now. You're going to do final adjustments on the tailgate at the end. So for right now, I'm just going to make it as straight and even as possible in the actual bolt holes themselves. Now that side is in. All right, and now you can put your latching clasp on. The kit does not include replacement hardware, so if you need replacement hardware, you are going to have to order that as well. I'm using all the original bolts except for these screws. You can also get these screws at Home Depot. You don't necessarily need to get them from someone that specifically sells truck parts. So you can just take the screw with you to Home Depot and you'll be able to find them there. An additional alignment shim if you need it. I'm not going to put that on for right now just because I don't know what my alignment is going to be. And you can see here at this point, obviously if I did not install the strap piece first, I would not be able to get the bolt in if I had the latch clasp on first. Okay, so now same thing, I'm just going to do the other side. These are the pieces that the tailgate actually goes onto, and they stick out this way with the whole portion facing the outside. The way I like to do it is leave your bolts right there so they're ready to go. Have that right there so it's ready to go. And this side I'm actually going to install. So the way it's going to work is you're going to move the tailgate in and onto this one piece, and then the other one's just going to slide down. So for these ones, you might as well just snug them just a little bit, and that's it, because you're going to have to adjust it. Okay, now we're going to put the tailgate on. There we go. Now it's just going to slide right down into place. It's definitely helpful if you have someone to help you out. I do not. If you have a nice painted truck, you definitely do not want to do this on your own, so you will scratch your paint. Okay, and that latched pretty good. Let's see if it unlatches. Yep, that latched really nice. I'm actually amazed. I might have hit it right on the money as far as the latches are concerned. Now we need to worry about the adjustment for these pieces here. You can see that this one is down too far based on the body line, and this one is up too high. So I'm going to bring this one down and that one up. I'm going to tighten everything else a little bit more, and then we'll see what it looks like. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, and that is a wrap. After many, well over 100 hours of labor, this bed is now officially back together with the tailgate on it. Obviously, I did some paint correction here, and it is now back together and on, and wow, it looks great. I actually nailed the adjustments on the very first try. I did have one issue, not Auto Metal Direct's fault, with the alignment. I'm going to show you a problem that's very common that you'll run into is right here at the top of the tailgate, there's little rubber bumpers. And over time, the metal here gets fatigued or gets pushed out because people are pulling on this portion, and or the metal, or excuse me, the rubber gets dry rotted and it's no longer flexible. And this piece was dry rotted and also pushed out a little bit, and it wasn't letting the tailgate close. So what I found is you definitely need to replace those on both sides, and sometimes you need to take them and sand them down so they don't have the same height that they would from the factory. But once I pulled that out, it actually closes absolutely perfect here, as you can see. We got perfect clasping on both sides. You can see it's together and on without an issue. And my alignment looks great. And remember, I took this entire bed apart and replaced the entire interior of the bed, the metal on the inside of the bed, with brand new Auto Metal Direct metal, and everything now fits absolutely perfect. I have installed every single tailgate hardware kit that every company offers, and I'm telling you, this was the best one, and here's why. The other companies, number one, I've gotten handles from them that are not correct. They do not even fit in the truck, okay? I got this entire kit in less than 15 minutes. It was no problem at all. Another thing I've encountered is that a lot of the companies give you clips that are not correct, and they break and they fall apart as you put them in, and you have to buy your own clips. As you can see here, this is one that another company sent me that it did not retain itself. It fell apart. Okay, Auto Metal Direct's clips are OE correct, and they are a real pain to find when you don't know what you're looking for. So go ahead, and if you have a tailgate issue of any kind on your 70s Ford truck, go ahead and order the Auto Metal Direct kit. Remember, you will need hardware if you're not going to reuse the factory hardware, but an outstanding kit, well worth the money because you're getting everything in one shot. It's definitely worth not having to put up with the headache that you'll get with other companies. As always, if you enjoyed this episode of Dentside Depot, remember to like and subscribe and keep restoring those classic trucks.